Have you ever considered that you could engage in a real conversation with the universe? Not just making a silent wish as you gaze upon a star, but actually communicating. It's less about commanding what you want and more about harmonizing with the cosmic flow. This idea might seem a bit out there, but stay with me. We're about to see the universe as a vast mirror that reflects your innermost thoughts and being. Picture this. Every single thing that happens in your day, from the first sip of your morning latte to the unexpected traffic snarl, is the universe calling for your attention, similar to how planets faithfully circle the sun. The way you think, the emotions you feel, and even the method you use to lace up your sneakers are all influenced by what you choose to focus on. Neglect something consistently, and it gradually disappears from your existence, much like a cringe-worthy high school dance, slowly blurring into oblivion from collective memory. Tune your universe. Here's the cool part. You are the DJ at this cosmic dance party. You have the power to choose what music plays. In this case, the energy of your focus directs the spotlight of your life. Ever find yourself trapped in a cycle of negativity? That's just your unconscious mind, playing gloomy tracks over and over. But the great news is, you can hit the pause button and switch up the playlist whenever you wish. It's not about ignoring the potholes along your journey, but rather choosing wisely where to spend your emotional energy. Think of this as investing your emotional dollars. Surely you wouldn't spend your hard-earned money on anger or frustration, right? That would be like throwing your coins into a wishing well and hoping for rain. Instead, why not invest in gratitude and joy? These are the stocks bound to soar, offering you rich dividends of happiness. Even the law of attraction, a universal principle, tells us that our thoughts mold our experiences. Alone, thoughts are mere potentials, like empty shopping carts waiting to be filled. So when a gloomy thought tries to sneak into your mental checkout, you have the full authority to say, "No thanks, universe. I pick sunshine and smiles today." The universe communicates through energy frequencies, not through spoken words. To truly engage in a dialogue with it, you don't need to shout your wishes into the abyss. Instead, resonate at the frequency of your dreams. Positive thoughts and joyful feelings are clear signals to the cosmos, broadcasting your desires loud and clear. But how do you start? Begin with mindfulness. Pay close attention to where you direct your attention. Watching your thoughts is like observing dancers glide across the floor at a ball. Highlight those that lift you up and make you feel powerful. Dealing with negativity is like handling uninvited guests at your party. Politely show the energy drainers, those mood killers, the way out and replace them with upbeat, uplifting melodies. Remember, this interaction with the universe is not just a fleeting encounter, it's a perpetual exchange, a rhythmic dance of give and take. Keep practicing, stay connected, and most importantly, have fun with it. The universe is eager to sync up with your unique beat, and who knows, your vibe might just set off some spectacular cosmic dance moves. As you continue this vibrant conversation with the universe, each positive thought and every moment of joy you choose feeds into this celestial dialogue, creating a feedback loop of bliss and serenity. This ongoing connection enriches your life, turning ordinary days into a sequence of magical moments, each reflecting your deepest desires and aspirations. So, tune into that inner joy, let it ripple outwards, and watch as the universe echoes it back to you in wonderful and unexpected ways. Keep your frequencies tuned to hope and positivity, and the cosmos will likely respond in kind, bringing more light and laughter into your world. Cosmic conversations. The universe is like a giant ear, always listening to your thoughts and emotions. Right from the moment you take your first breath, it's tuned in, constantly asking what excites you. But remember, this cosmic entity doesn't communicate through words as we do. It vibes. Every one of your reactions and feelings acts like a vote, a thumbs up or down to life's endless questions. Think of it as setting the temperature in your room. When you dwell on things you dislike, it's like cranking up the heater on negativity. Conversely, when you focus on what you truly want, you're turning on the air conditioner, filling your life with cool breezes of joy and new possibilities. It's crucial to be mindful of what you amplify. Recall the poised orchestra conductor you admired in that film? We all possess a similar ability to orchestrate our lives. By directing our attention to specific goals, we take on the role of the conductor, guiding the energy flow within our lives. If you dismiss negativity, it becomes mere background noise, unnoticeable and insignificant. The universe, however, lives in the here and now. It doesn't dwell on past regrets or future anxieties. These are mere whispers lost in the wind. Visualize the universe as a massive, attentive presence, focused solely on the current energies you emit. Here's where it gets interesting. The universe doesn't quite grasp phrases like "I will" or "I want." To it, these statements sound like "not yet." Instead, embody the feeling of already possessing what you wish for. Picture life as a grand buffet, laden with every delightful thing you could imagine. Go ahead, fill your plate with the best treats, and relish in the sensation of having it all. The universe senses this contentment and starts concocting circumstances that resonate with those joyful vibes. The essence lies in feeling accomplished, cherished, and content, whatever your heart desires. Every possibility you can envision is within reach, and by basking in the happiness of these moments as if they're current reality, you adjust your inner frequency to attract these exact outcomes. It's more than merely voicing your wants. It's about truly living in that state of fulfillment. As you continue to engage in this vibrant dialogue with the universe, think of yourself as a painter with a canvas. Each thought and emotion you project is a stroke of paint, contributing to the masterpiece that is your life. Be deliberate in choosing your colors. Opt for hues that brighten and enrich. This ongoing interaction is not merely about asking for what you want, but rather embodying it, living in a state of gratitude and abundance. In doing so, you invite the universe to respond in kind. Like a mirror, it reflects your energy, multiplying and returning it in wonderful, unexpected ways. So keep your thoughts positive and your heart open. The universe is always listening, ready to transform your inner visions into outer realities. Embrace this magical exchange and watch as the world unfolds beautifully before you. Level up your life. The next step in learning to talk to the universe is expanding your consciousness. This process is akin to leveling up your character in a video game, where you acquire new skills and knowledge that help you navigate complexities with greater ease. Consider the time you tried to play poker with seasoned pros. As a newcomer, without awareness of the subtle tells and hidden strategies, you found yourself easily bluffed and outmaneuvered, right? Exactly. Similarly, when you're not attuned to the universe's hidden dimensions, life can throw unexpected curveballs. By expanding your consciousness, however, you begin to perceive the unspoken rules, the subtle connections, hidden patterns, and your own internal compass. This growth involves enhancing your understanding of three critical aspects. Yourself. Realize that you are more than just your physical body. Dive into your emotions, thoughts, beliefs, and observe how they mold your reality. Pay close attention to your intuition, those gut feelings, and recurring dreams. These often serve as gentle whispers from your deeper self, guiding you along your journey. Your mind. Take note of your habitual thought patterns. Are you frequently caught in cycles of negativity or self-doubt? Challenge these limiting beliefs and cultivate a mindset enriched with positive thoughts. Remember, your thoughts wield tremendous power. Choosing them wisely shapes your life's trajectory. The world around you. Look beyond the obvious. Cultivate a curiosity about different cultures, new perspectives, and scientific discoveries. Engage with nature. Watch its complex patterns and feel your connection to the world around you. By broadening your awareness in these areas, you're not merely gathering information. You're empowering yourself, akin to gaining superpowers. This enhanced perception makes you more receptive to opportunities, improves your decision-making, and helps you anticipate life's surprises. You transition from a passive onlooker to an active participant in your life, crafting your reality with deliberate intent and profound awareness. Expanding your consciousness isn't about becoming a mystical guru, it's about evolving into the best version of yourself. It involves embracing curiosity, exploring the world with open eyes, and recognizing your capacity to influence your destiny. As you learn to let the universe guide you, understand that it communicates through feelings, not words. This means tuning into the right frequency, which requires filtering out the noise of your overthinking and ego. Avoid overanalyzing every thought. Instead, listen to your gut feelings, your intuition, the soft whispers of your soul. This internal guidance system communicates through a language much deeper than words. It resonates through feelings. Imagine those moments when you've experienced a gut-wrenching no in response to a dubious offer, or a warm yes for something that felt just right, even if it came out of nowhere. That's your intuitive guidance in action, not bound by logic or societal shoulds, but perfectly aligned with your true self. Beware, though, the ego often interjects with its perspective, typically promoting immediate satisfaction or superficial pleasures that might seem appealing but are misaligned with your deeper goals. The key here is to discern these ego-driven impulses, which can feel exciting momentarily, but often leave you anxious or empty afterward. In contrast, genuine resonance brings a profound peace and a knowingness that what you're choosing aligns with your deepest values, lighting up your soul and bringing a sincere smile to your face. Harnessing cosmic rhythms. The importance of repetition and belief can be likened to finding the perfect pair of jeans. They just slide on, fitting effortlessly and authentically. So how do you access this inner wisdom? Begin by paying close attention. Observe what makes your heart sing, what sparks your passion, and what instills in you a quiet, unshakable yes. It could be as simple as enjoying nature, engaging in a creative hobby, or spending time with loved ones. Pursue those breadcrumbs of joy and moments of deep resonance. Avoid overanalyzing or getting lost in your thoughts. Trust that your inner compass will guide you, even when the path ahead isn't clear. As you continue to listen to your feelings, the messages from your inner self become louder and more distinct. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. Doubts may arise, and there may be times when your ego seems louder than your intuition. But with regular practice, you'll learn to identify the true direction of your soul, guided by the subtle whispers of the universe towards a life that's not only fulfilling, but deeply genuine. Here's a practical tip. Keep a gratitude journal. Writing down moments of joy and resonance can help you recognize them more readily and strengthen your connection to your deeper wisdom. Moving forward, let's explore the power of repetition. Imagine trying to have a meaningful conversation with a friend who is constantly distracted by their phone. Their fleeting attention, like a fluttering butterfly, mirrors how the universe perceives our transient thoughts, which pass by too quickly to make an impact. However, you have a potent tool at your disposal, the power of repetition. Think of it as sending a clear, persistent message to the universe, a message that's consistent and hard to overlook. Before we delve deeper into this technique, consider the fascinating role of your subconscious mind. Unlike your daydreaming conscious mind, your subconscious acts as a vast storage room, holding everything from your earliest memories to mundane details like last week's shopping. Importantly, it doesn't differentiate between reality and vivid imagination. It simply stores and absorbs all. But here's where it gets interesting. This storage can be reorganized. If you're tired of feeling overshadowed and want to unleash your inner superstar, change your internal narrative. Instead of repeating, "I'm shy," affirm, "I am confident and outgoing." Merely saying the words isn't enough. You must infuse them with genuine emotion. Imagine yourself commanding a stage, microphone in hand, radiating confidence. This vivid visualization sends a powerful signal to the universe, effectively announcing, "Look, this is the new me." Your subconscious will notice this persistent message and start shifting its contents, moving your old self-image into the background and bringing your new, confident self to the forefront. This transformation begins internally, but soon manifests externally. You'll start to feel more assured, your interactions will become smoother, and you'll carry yourself with the confidence of a rock star. But there's more to repetition than just affirmations. It's about actively molding your experiences. According to the law of attraction, what you focus on expands. Repetition sharpens this focus, allowing you to send clear, targeted desires into the universe. It's similar to training a pet. Consistent reinforcement of desired behaviors leads to positive outcomes. By continuously emphasizing positive thoughts and experiences, you're effectively telling the universe, "More of this, please." This isn't magic, it's the practice of aligning your intentions with the infinite possibilities of the universe. Success won't happen overnight, it requires persistence and patience. There will be challenging days, much like when a beloved pet misbehaves. The key is to stay persistent, keep broadcasting those positive vibes, even when doubts try to derail you. Shed any self-limiting beliefs and embrace the persona of someone who achieves their dreams. Through the power of repetition, you can reshape your beliefs, transform your reality, and tune the universe to your own success story, living in harmony. As you align more closely with the universe's rhythm, you'll find that your life begins to flow with greater ease and less resistance. This alignment isn't just about achieving personal goals, it's about living in harmony with the world around you. When you tune your energy to the positive, the universe not only listens, but responds. The give and take become a harmonious exchange, enriching your experience and expanding your reality. This dynamic interaction with the universe encourages a life of mindfulness and intentional living. By focusing on positive frequencies, you encourage the universe to send more of the same your way. It's a partnership where your conscious choices lead to subconscious changes, which in turn create your lived reality. Embrace this dance with the universe and watch as your life transforms into a reflection of your highest aspirations. So step into this continuous flow of give and take with enthusiasm. Let each positive thought and every heartfelt smile be your contribution to this cosmic dialogue. The universe is not just a passive backdrop, but an active participant in your journey, ready to co-create each chapter of your life's story. Engage with it, trust it, and allow it to help shape your path to fulfillment and joy.